Most signal services lock you into strict subscriptions. Pay up front, sort it out later. That's not how serious traders do things. Let me show you how to do it right with Pipxpert. Pipxpert gives traders a few different ways to access the platform, instead of forcing everyone into one set plan. If you're new or just having a sticky beak, there's a monthly VIP option that lets you try everything out without a big commitment. This is handy because a lot of traders don't want to fork out for the long haul before they know if a tool actually suits their style. For those who already know they want to stick with Pipxpert for the long run, there's a one-off lifetime access option that gets rid of monthly fees altogether and can save you cash over time. On top of that, you can also get free VIP access to Pipxpert through a trusted broker partnership, which means some users can use the platform without paying anything extra at all. Having a few different ways to get access means users can start off small, upgrade later on, or just pick whatever feels right for them. Now, this kind of flexibility is important because trading already comes with risk, a learning curve, and a fair bit of emotional pressure, especially if you're just starting out. When someone's pushed into a long-term subscription or a big upfront payment, that pressure usually ramps up and can lead to making hasty decisions. Pipxpert gets around this by letting traders choose how they want to get started on the platform, which helps take the stress off and eases that fear of commitment. You can give a tool a go, learn at your own pace, and then decide later on if it's something you want to stick with for the long haul. There's no being forced to lock yourself in. You don't feel trapped, and there's no pressure to make your money back straight away. This gives traders the breathing room to focus on getting better at what they do, instead of stressing about the costs. It's also really important to understand that Pipxpert, it's especially for people who are new to trading. Pipxpert isn't a broker, which means it doesn't hold your money or place trades on your behalf. It's not a financial advisor. It doesn't tell you exactly what to buy or sell, and it doesn't give you personal investment advice. Most importantly, Pipxpert doesn't promise guaranteed profits, because real trading just doesn't work like that. This honesty actually matters, because a lot of trading tools make unrealistic claims that set up false expectations. Pipxpert, it's positioned as a support tool, something that helps with structure, tracking, and discipline. It's not a magic fix or a shortcut. Pipxpert is made for traders who care about how they trade, not just the outcome of one or two trades. It's designed for people who want to follow a clear process, stay accountable, and really get a handle on what's actually working and what's not. Instead of chasing after promises or signals, these traders are after data, structure, and honest feedback over time. That's what makes Pipxpert a better fit for long-term thinkers who see trading as a skill that gets better with practice and reflection. It's not aimed at people chasing instant results or shortcuts, but for those who are willing to be patient, consistent, and realistic about their progress. So, just a couple more points to add. It's a community-driven platform that really focuses on support. The signals come together with education and tools. If you're after trading signals without the pressure, locked-in subscriptions, or dodgy promises, check out Pipxpert. With options like monthly access, lifetime membership, and even free VIP access through a broker partnership, you can pick whatever suits your trading style and level of commitment. No one's forcing you into anything.